Mabuhay from the beautiful city of Manila. I'm back Wednesday for the channel Fragrance RX, and today it's a very sunny day here in Manila. I have here my beer, and today I'll be reviewing a fragrance from the house of Tom Ford. It's none other than Tom Ford Noir Extreme. So stay tuned. Tom Ford Noir Extreme was released in 2015, and the nose behind this fragrance is Sonia Constant. And for the notes, we have the following. On the top, we have mandarin orange, neroli, saffron, nutmeg, and cardamom. In the middle, we have mastic, rose, jasmine, orange blossom, and Indian kulfi. And on the base, we have woody notes, amber, sandalwood, and vanilla. And before anything else, let's start first with the presentation. For the presentation of Tom Ford Noir Extreme, I have here the full bottle. Now, I don't have the box unfortunately, but this one is the 100ml Tom Ford Noir Extreme. Tom Ford Noir Extreme comes in two sizes, the 50ml and the 100ml. In the Philippines, it costs roughly about 6,000 to 7,000 pesos or about $120 US. So here we have the full bottle of Tom Ford Noir Extreme. We have a golden cap and this black to brownish bottle. Now, it says here in the front, Tom Ford Noir Extreme. On the top, it says Tom Ford, there, TF. And on the sides, we have here letter T, there, and letter F, there. Now, on the bottom, we can see the other ingredients and different information regarding our bottle and the batch code as well. And here we have here a golden sprayer. See that, guys? Golden sprayer. And for the sprayer, there, it sprays a decent amount of juice, and that's for the presentation of Tom Ford Noir Extreme. Now, Tom Ford Noir Extreme opens up with a very fruity sweet fragrance, nutty and sweet. That's how I will describe Tom Ford Noir Extreme. It's nutty and sweet because of the cardamom and vanilla respectively, and it has a fruity opening because of the mandarin orange. Now, this mandarin orange eventually fades about 5 minutes towards the life of this fragrance, and in the middle, that's when the kulfi starts to come out. It becomes the star of the show, and this makes this fragrance a sweet, gourmandish type of fragrance. Now imagine yourself being drenched in kulfi, in ice cream. Doesn't it make you a sweet guy, right? Now, kulfi is an Indian ice cream, and ice cream is sweet. Now, this will make you smell sweet and sexy. Now, as I've mentioned, towards the mid, that's when the kulfi starts to emerge, the star of the show, and that continues until the end of the fragrance, up to the base of the fragrance. So for the development of this fragrance, from the top, a sweet, nutty, fruity vibe, and it develops into the kulfi, the star of the show, in the middle, and it stays the same towards the end of the fragrance. Now, I've mentioned that this is a very sweet and sexy fragrance. I got lots of compliments when I wore this Tom Ford Noir Extreme. I especially use this fragrance when I'm going out during dates and special occasions, especially if the special occasion is held at night. This is a special scent of the night for me, and when I wore this fragrance, I always get lots of compliments. So which age group can wear this fragrance? People under 20s can wear this fragrance. People under college education already. Now, I won't suggest this fragrance in the preschoolers or high school because this one is a mature smelling fragrance. It's a very sexy fragrance. Those who are mature already can wear this one. When will you wear this fragrance? Dates. I highly recommend that you use this as your date scent because this will surely get the job done. And special occasion, especially if it is held at night. Now, for the season, I recommend that you wear this on the fall or on the winter. I don't recommend this during the summer because this one tends to be cloying, especially if oversprayed. But this is not a cloying fragrance if you spray this moderately, especially in the fall or in the winter. But if you use this in the summer, be careful with the trigger because this will be cloying. Now, I've mentioned that this is a perfect date scent because it works for me, guys. Now, I'm definitely sure if it works for me, it will definitely work for you. For the number of sprays, I highly recommend 3 sprays with this one, 2 behind the ears and 1 behind the neck. You want it to be sprayed on the skin because it will project more. Guys, you have to believe me that this Tom Ford Noir Extreme, even though it's an eau de parfum concentration, it projects. Like on my skin, it projects, guys. This will project for about an arm's length, for about 3 hours. So I highly recommend that you spray this on your skin and not on your clothes. Let's go now and rate Tom Ford Noir Extreme. Now for the scent, I will give this one a perfect 10 out of 10 because Guys, this is a perfect date scent fragrance. This is a very sweet, sexy fragrance. Especially the kulfi. This one smells very, very sexy. If you use this on your dates, guys, this will surely get the job done. Now, for the uniqueness, I will give this one a perfect 10 out of 10 because I can't associate any other fragrance that smells very similar with Tom Ford Noir Extreme. That special kulfi note is really, really unique, and I really can't associate any other fragrance with Tom Ford Noir Extreme. For the projection, I will give this one a perfect 10 out of 10 because this fragrance projects for about 3 to 4 hours, and considering that this one is an eau de parfum concentration and not an eau de toilette, this one projects like a beast for me. For the performance, I will give this one a perfect 10 out of 10 as well because on my skin, it lasts for about 8 to 10 hours. And for an eau de parfum concentration, it's a very good performing fragrance. For the versatility, I will give this one an 8 out of 10 because I recommend this fragrance to be worn on the fall and on the winter. I don't recommend this fragrance to be worn on the summer because this one will be cloying. Well, if you wear this one in the temperature controlled environment, then you can wear this one. But if you wear this one in like this, high heat of the summer, it will be too cloying. And lastly, for the sillage, I will give this one a perfect 10 out of 10 because this one leaves a decent scent trail. People will know that a sexy guy already comes in the room. So for the overall rating of Tom Ford Noir Extreme, I will give this one a perfect 10 out of 10. The final question is Tom Ford Noir Extreme prescription worthy? Definitely yes. Guys, if you're looking for a perfect date scent fragrance, for a perfect special occasion fragrance, then look no further. Have this Tom Ford Noir Extreme because this one will truly get the job done. In fact, this is one of my top 5 fragrances. It lasts long on your skin and it will project. Guys, this one, even if this is an eau de parfum, it really projects, guys. This will project about an arm's length and people will know that you're there. A very sexy man is walking towards them. That's the power of Tom Ford Noir Extreme. If it works on me, I'm definitely sure that this one will work on you as well. So today, guys, to help us with this Tom Ford Noir Extreme, I have here my good friend, my best friend from med school, Dr. Ronald Heredia, to help me with this Tom Ford Noir Extreme. It is his first time to smell this Tom Ford Noir Extreme, and let's see what his reactions are. So welcome, Ron. And today I'm gonna let you smell this Tom Ford Noir Extreme. It's very hot in here, but we're gonna test this fragrance. 2 sprays of Tom Ford Noir Extreme. My brain paper, guys. It's back, my brain paper. So Ronald, Dr. Heredia, what can you say about Tom Ford Noir Extreme?
The scent is it's a little sweet. It's not as bold. It's manly. There's a hint of vanilla. It's definitely refreshing. I don't know. I would buy it. It's an option.
Which type of guy can you see wearing that fragrance?
I would see myself wearing this, especially if, you know, a night out with my girlfriend, or if ever I have family events. It's kind of refreshing to have this scent, especially when you go out at night. So that's what I would say.
Is it a sexy fragrance?
Yes, it is. It's definitely sexy.
In what occasion is this Tom Ford Noir Extreme best worn?
I would say during big events such as weddings, anniversaries, family events where everybody has to dress up.
So if you will rate this fragrance from 1 to 10, how will you rate this Tom Ford Noir Extreme?
I would give it a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Because you could use this at any event or any, you know, just if you wanna go out to the mall. It's really refreshing to smell this.
If given the chance, will you buy this fragrance?
Yes,
definitely.
absolutely.
Is it prescription worthy?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Dr. Heredia. You heard my review. You heard what Dr. Heredia has to say with Tom Ford Noir Extreme. Now, what are your thoughts with regards to this fragrance? What other Tom Ford fragrances do you have in your collection? What are your most memorable experiences with Tom Ford Noir Extreme? Again, leave your comments down below and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Fragrance RX. Again, this is Wedson for the channel Fragrance RX, your fragrance doctor. See you in the next video. Have a nice day and stay fragrant!